This week on Food Wander, we go to East Chimsachor's Wingon Plaza to visit a classic Indian restaurant whose original founders first brought Southern Indian vegetarian food to Hong Kong. After nearly 4 decades, Woodlands has adopted a new look and continues to evolve with the times, but still holds on to its traditional values and golden memories. And of course, continues to deliver the classic dishes, just as it used to, oh so many years ago. I first meet the man that has taken over the mantle from the original founders and is responsible for keeping Woodlands alive today.
We are the first Indian vegetarian restaurant in Hong Kong. Now, it's a trend, like everybody wants to open up a vegan restaurant or a vegetarian restaurant. But 38 years back, that too in a place like Hong Kong, is something that not everybody can really think of. And the quality of the food is the one key that everybody loves about Woodlands. And that is one thing that is keeping this restaurant going for so many years. The food is special because of the chef who actually prepares it. The original chef used to work with Woodlands back then. We still have them in our restaurant.
As Arun and I continue to explore the golden age of Woodlands with the original 2 founders, he reveals a treasure trove of memories from famous visitors who have left their inscriptions in the classic guest book. And those featured on the wall of Woodlands, such as famous politicians, actors, musicians, and athletes.
This is a place has got a lot of memories, so we had a lot of emotion attached to this place, and we want to keep up that and let the vegetation feed the nation. So that's exactly what we are trying to achieve in the coming years. We have added a lot of interesting new items, yet we are keeping our classics, our pepper masala dosa. We are proud to say dosa is introduced in Hong Kong by Woodlands. So let's do dosa. All right?
Let's do dosa.
Okay.
Dosa is made from a ground mixture of rice and lentils, spread paper thin, and cooked with ghee, clarified butter made with buffalo or cow's milk. Served with a huge dollop of mixed vegetable masala. All right, so this is massive. This is... Yep, okay. Not that I'm complaining, but here we go. Oh, wow. That's why it's paper dosa. It's so good, guys. It's so delicious. It's not heavy at all. Coconut chutney is a little tart, savory, spicy, but not too spicy. Try the tomato chutney. What it is. So as you'd expect with a tomato, it's sweeter, has a slightly more roasted flavor to it, but they go together really, really well. And I haven't even gotten to the potato in the middle yet. The onions get some of the pepper. I think it's black pepper and mustard seeds. The mustard seed for sure. Arun, can I ask you for a quick question? So what's the best way for me to have it?
Just dig a hole in the middle. So
dig a hole in the middle.
Yeah, you can reach to the masala.
Ah, yes. Of course.
And you can have it with the masala inside. So here we serve this with the sambar, which is lentil soup.
Sure.
The best way is dipping it with the sambar, so it actually makes the dosa a little bit soft, so you can actually eat it. Perfect.
No, this is perfect.
Good.
This is perfect.
You have to eat it perfect, right?
This is amazing. And there's still so much of it. It's just such a fun way to eat, you know? As I finish up my dosa, all that remains to be done is to thank the wonderful chefs who have kept their flavors and the legend of Woodlands alive since the 1980s. And hopefully, for many more years to come.